Any creative process is about movement, whether this is physical or inner movement.
What's been nice has been going back to the basics.
So little time, just a weekend, how much you can get out of it, how much you can apply.
Sort of demystifying sort of the process of acting.
Taking the time and having trust in the process.
Being influenced by that new language.
Okay.
And the way that he teaches it has kind of opened up a different way of doing it and opened up my imagination.
Give a better performance, ultimately, you know.
And you actually inhabit it, you use it. It's not just some sort of theoretical understanding of the character. No, you understand to the character. You go towards the character